currently on the way to get some breakfast because we have a jam-packed day at the river. It's gonna be fun.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. We feel pretty bad because we're able to pick this up with a very narrow street. Usually Austin Powers.
Yeah.
There's like no shot. Like a car can even fit down here, but
He's making it work.
he's making it work. Look at that. Oh my goodness.
I am so sorry.
We are sorry.
I caused this problem.
It's okay. It's okay.
Should have just requested the front on a normal street.
This guy is an expert. I can tell. He's doing really good.
Oh yeah,
Well, anyways,
we made it.
we made it.
Alright, good morning gamers. We are back at Kyoto, which is a cool breakfast place we found 2 years ago, and we really liked it. So we're back here. Been an eventful way to start the morning, trying to get the Uber out of the that tight street. I felt bad for sending him there, but it's all good. So now we're looking at the menu, and it's a lot of like the most like traditional American looking stuff. Actually, that's
That steak and eggs, and I want that so bad.
there's just steak and eggs.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Are you ordering time?
Nice. Yeah, I can order a couple. Good stuff.
But
It's like a power smoothie thing that I got.
this tastes exactly like the lemonessos I used to. Well, I call them lemonessos, but basically from a caramel cookbook that some wealthy millionaire gave to me. They said that check this out and learn how to make some stuff from there. And the first thing that I saw when I opened it up was a lemonade, like a sparkling lemonade espresso concoction.
Wow.
And I'm like, I need to try that. And I made it, and it was amazing.
Oh,
and I've
yeah.
been making them ever since with like different kinds of sodas. And
That's
like,
cool.
You know, it's just great. Perfect summer drink.
Oh yeah. That looks really cool. Really big. Nice. Yep. It's so funny. We walked through here last time. It's funny that we actually have to walk through here again to get to the bus stop. Crazy little alley. But we're making our way to the bus station, then to get to the train station, because it's like an hour to get to the river ride. But very excited for that. And it was raining. It might rain here and there today. For now it's actually sunny, which is crazy. So good stuff. We're making our way.
This is the local train bound for Kyoto.
A little bit of a mad dash, but we got it. So we're gonna head over. And we got like a 40-ish minute train ride, something like that. So let's get to it.
ご乗車ありがとうございました。まもなく
We're out here.
Vending machine over there.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
There's a soccer stadium here. And then the beauty over there, and then a freaking drive-through Starbucks. Talk about juxtaposition. So funny. But we're almost to the spot for the river tour, so let's see what happens. We made it. These hats are cool. Oh, that bag is cool.
That hat is actually really cool too.
I like it. I think it's pretty sick.
It looks like the Balenciaga hat we saw.
Yeah. I want that. Cool.
Ooh, oh. Hell, that is sick.
Nice.
Damn.
Oh my god. I hate that I don't have room. I want it so bad.
That's awful.
Oh, it might actually.
Just see like
Here we go.
white shit all over the screen.
Here we
but
go.
Yes, the best.
Let's go. Nope. Not yet.
We are in it now.
Oh yeah.
No, ¿sabes qué rápido se clasifican por grados?
Got damaged from typhoon.
Next, 2 meters. 2 meters.
Freaking wasp right there. We got free labor going. Come on, we can pass them.
Oh, we gotta go up in the handle.
We gotta do it.
Hi, thank you. Thank you, sir. Toilet.
Alright. Now we gotta figure out where the hell we are. Meeting this thing from Family Mart. And walking here. I think there's like a monkey thing supposedly. So we're gonna just walk around the town. We're on like basically the very edge of Kyoto, which is pretty cool. So it's definitely like small town vibes and I love it. Oh man. And here we go.
You have a protein bar still, Tyler?
I think I do, and it was like... Actually, shit, no, I don't.
It's perfect for the monkeys, then.
Oh, for the monkeys. I thought you were asking for one.
No.
Hey.
The monkeys.
Supposedly, it takes 20 minutes to get to the top. Oh boy. Here we go.
I found it. Here it is. Oh, you found it? Oh, nice. Tortuga. Awesome. What's it doing all the way up here?
I think that's...
I'm going to say snakes. Cicadas.
These cicadas. Hey.
Get
I
to
know.
know your region.
I know. The last one. What do the monkeys in this park hate or fear? Being hit by a stone. Oh.
They hate all of it.
They hate all of it.
They hate you too.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And I'm going to go and hate them right now. They'll be chasing that dragon for the rest of their lives, that's for sure.
First monkeys. Oh my goodness. Look at this fella. He's so fuzzy. He's so fuzzy.
We need to give a monkey food.
So cool. Coolest thing ever. Look at this view. Look at this. Oh, he's just showing it. Gosh. This is incredible. Wow. Here, Dad, you stand there. Okay.
Monkey business.
Let's go. Wow. So cool. So cool. Pretty epic. Alright, that was awesome. Well worth the little hike up. That was probably like 25 minutes or so up. But yeah, really cool. Amazing view. And I love that we just stumbled upon that. So we are almost getting hit by a car is what we're doing. And we're gonna hop back on the train to get back to our general area. And I'm drenched in sweat. But it's good. We're getting through it. That's good stuff. Oh yeah, strawberry milk cookie ice cream thing. Stoked. Oh. So good. I love this. We made it to a restaurant and we thought it was like the type where you have to sit like on the mat, and we are sitting on that, but then they have like a hidden secret thing to put your feet. That's pretty cool. Nice. Looks like a lot of skewers. Skewers look good. Nice. Starting off with a little salad thing. And ramen. Let's go. Look at that. An assortment of different things and a freaking fried or what grilled rice ball? I don't know. And then he also got the glizzies. Nice. Oh. Alright, all done. Oh, lens is fogged up. There we go. Heading back. Gonna call it early. We're gonna watch some Alice in Borderlands. Very good show. And it's just funny watching that in Japan. But good stuff. Tomorrow we head to a small town near Hakone because we're gonna be doing some cool stuff with cars in that area. So I'm very, very stoked. But yeah, can't wait. It's good stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm tired. Been a crazy day. Unexpected monkey visits and monkey feeding. It was good. So, good stuff, and we will see you guys tomorrow.